that when you don't know where I'm coming from? How you do that when you don't know where I'm coming from? Yeah, how do you try the day? Yeah, how do you rat the day? You try lande bushuku chavana satisi. Yeah, how do you try the day? Yeah, how do you rat the day? You try lande bushuku chavana satisi.
My name is Montsi Montsi. I'm from Mafeking, Matla. I grew up in Mafeking. I studied my high school at Tsakolo High School and furthered my education from China at Wuhan University of Technology. I graduated as a civil engineer. I joined the program from June 2023 under Matla Metsi, which is the contract that supervises the construction of the Polihali Dam and appurtenant structures. As a consultant, like, you are the supervisor, so in the morning there will be people from the contractor who are bringing in information, raw data, for us to process and realize or to assess the information if it meets the spec or the specification under which we are supposed to be constructing with, and also to try to realize how they are behind or how they have done their jobs. We receive a program from the contractor, the program which details his method statements and any works that he has to do. He puts the work into the program and we analyze the program if it meets specifications or requirements needed. Perhaps he could make a program too long and we need to revise the program and make sure it's within the right time. We make sure that the contractor does not exaggerate with time. He does not say he can do things that he cannot do. We make sure that whatever he says he can do is within what is needed to be done. And we also make sure that his programs are meeting the spec, like said, and also his programs are well developed and resource loaded and everything that needs to be done to a program. Ever since I joined the program, I started working from home, which was a challenge for me with time management. I really struggled to manage time, but after coming to site, I was exposed to people telling me how to manage time efficiently and be more productive. And it has been a great mentorship for me and more supervision. And I've been engaged in a great team of people who are willing to explain and willing to make sure that I understand whatever. And it's a great diversity and a huge vast of skills that I have learned as I was exposed to different aspects of the construction. I have been specifically put under project planning, but also I've been given opportunity to learn other disciplines. On a day-to-day, it's work, and with my leisure time, I'm able to read books because I really I have sufficiency with English, and so I'm really improving my English in my leisure time and doing curriculums like sports. We are able to join together as a team and play sports. I definitely do, because the skills that I learn here and the interaction with experts, talking to experts, I've realized that I have a demand in the market, and I've realized that I can also acquire some skills to put weight on the already existing skills that I have. And I've also realized through interacting with all these other experts that it's not a matter of where you start or where you're put, but it's a matter of how much you can learn as an individual and that what you learn is what you can use for your future career. This experience has given me an ability to forecast my career. So also I've been able to realize how much I need to learn. So it's been an experience that I want to pursue more. So I've received advices for more education, and I think it is what I need to do to equip myself and just put more weight on the skills I've learned. From joining this contract, I have learned how to manage time, which I realize it can be a problem for someone to develop professionally. I've developed methods for me to manage my time, and these are the skills that I think I'm going to use throughout my whole career. I've also learned interaction with people above me or people who know more, and being able to interact with them and assimilate any information I need in a professional way. I've also learned to take care of the quality of work I produce, and that has happened with timeless efforts of assessment of work and just taking great care of quality. I think those skills are very important for me to really develop in my career. It is really achievable, and it is something that can be achieved by everyone. So, but my own advice is just pursue more into your career for you to increase your chances of having to come here. And I've realized that they also try to prefer candidates that have also pursued more into their career. So pursuing more into the career or into your studies is not a sign of you just going to nowhere, but it's a sign of you just placing yourself on the position to be elected as one.
It's been way too long, it's been way too long, like how you do that when you don't know where I'm coming from. Like how you do that when you don't know where I'm coming from. Yeah, how do you try the day? Yeah, how do you rat the day? You trail on it, but you go chavana sat to see. Yeah, how do you try the day? Yeah, how do you rat the day? You trail on it, but you go chavana sat to see.